All right, brides-to-be, let's dive into the top contemporary wedding ideas for 2024. Whether you're just starting your planning journey or looking for those final touches, these trends will ensure your big day is unforgettable. First up, let's talk decorations. The right decor sets the tone for your entire wedding, creating an atmosphere that reflects your personal style and vision. This year, it's all about minimalistic elegance. Think clean lines, neutral tones, and a lot of natural elements. This trend is perfect for couples who appreciate simplicity and sophistication. Picture a backdrop of lush greenery, complemented by soft, ambient lighting. It's simple yet breathtaking. This natural aesthetic creates a serene and romantic setting for your vows. Now, onto the venue. Non-traditional spaces are all the rage in 2024. From industrial lofts to botanical gardens, the key is to choose a place that reflects your unique style. These venues offer a distinctive charm and can be tailored to fit any theme. Imagine exchanging vows in a converted warehouse with exposed brick and vintage chandeliers. It's a perfect blend of rustic and chic. This setting provides a warm, intimate atmosphere that your guests will love. Fashion lovers, you're in for a treat. The latest bridal trends are all about making a statement while staying true to your personal style. Bridal gowns this year are focusing on sleek silhouettes and modern details. Think off-the-shoulder sleeves, intricate lacework, and even pops of color. These elements add a contemporary twist to traditional bridal wear. And for the grooms, tuxedos are getting a makeover too. We're seeing bold patterns, velvet fabrics, and daring hues like emerald green and midnight blue. These styles allow grooms to express their individuality and stand out on their special day. Let's not forget the flowers. The right bouquet can add a touch of magic to your wedding look. Wild, untamed bouquets are making a statement. These arrangements are perfect for brides who love a natural, effortless look. Mix peonies, dahlias, and eucalyptus for a truly stunning arrangement. The aim is to create something that looks effortlessly beautiful, like it was just picked from a garden. This trend embraces the beauty of nature in its raw form. When it comes to food and catering, interactive food stations are in. These stations not only provide delicious options, but also engage your guests in a fun and interactive way. Picture a gourmet taco bar, sushi rolling station, or even a DIY dessert table. It's all about creating a fun and engaging experience for your guests. These stations allow guests to customize their meals, adding a personal touch to your wedding feast. And shoes. Oh, the shoes. Your choice of footwear can make a big difference in your comfort and style on your wedding day. Brides are stepping out in comfort and style this year. Think elegant flats, block heels, and even personalized sneakers. These options ensure you can dance the night away without sacrificing style. It's your day, so why not be comfortable while looking fabulous? The right shoes can help you feel confident and at ease throughout your celebration. Makeup trends are leaning towards the natural and dewy look. This style enhances your natural beauty, giving you a radiant glow. Fresh-faced with a touch of glam is the way to go. Soft, neutral tones with a hint of shimmer will make you glow on your special day. This look is perfect for brides who want to feel like the best version of themselves. Alright, that's a wrap on the top contemporary wedding ideas for 2024. We hope these trends inspire you to create a wedding that is uniquely yours. Remember, it's your day, so make it uniquely yours. Personal touches and thoughtful details will make your wedding truly special. Thanks for watching and happy planning. We wish you all the best on your journey to the perfect wedding day. Click the palm tree to subscribe to more Las Vegas wedding videos.